and today we're at
Caverns State Park
in Marianna and still in Florida in the Panhandle.
and we're gonna do a tour there.
Yeah, tour through the caverns, so that would be fun. Come on, join us.
Come. Oh.
The next day.
Today we arrived at our 6th boondock spot through a Boondockers Welcome, and it is in
Verbena, Alabama.
Sweet home Alabama.
Yeah, and we're welcomed at the G.R.A.C.E Marina.
And they have a slide, they have a boat ramp, you can swim here. They have an outhouse. So if we want to, we can go in there.
Maybe for number 2.
We will tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And I already love it.
Yeah, it's great. Friendly people, nice nature. It's awesome to be here on the lake.
If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also remember to press the bell icon to stay updated about all our latest videos.
Here's our van. Turn, 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 turn.
And then? And then? And then?
There's the water!
Wow, what do you know?
This is such an amazing spot. And we
spot
went
on the
on a
lake.
boat ride.
Yeah.
So that was a bonus. We really enjoyed it. But
did.
6 weeks ago, tornado came by and a lot of buildings and houses and boat houses were destroyed. So
Yeah,
that's kind of a
completely.
bummer. But for us, it was still nice to see the beautiful lake. I didn't even know it existed.
So, Alabama, beautiful state.
And because we don't have a shower, we shower in the lake. Pretty awesome!